Okay, so the next thing I want to do is add a contact form to our site on the contact tab, right? The contact page. And the reason I want to do this is if you actually just put like contact us and put your email address, before you know it, you're going to get spammed by like everybody in the universe, right? And you're going to get like 1,000 pieces of spam a day because once people find that email address, and that you just get nonstop spam. And it's like unfortunate, but that's like the way it goes. So the contact form pretty much eliminates this because you have to actually put in information and then send. So it's not like someone's going to add your email address to a spam list of email addresses. And believe me, there's a million of them out there. So like the remove title or hide title plugin before, I'm going to use a plugin that's a bit of code that's already done for us to add that contact form to our website. This is another reason why I love WordPress, because anything I need to do, like I don't know how to really program. I mean, I know very basic stuff about HTML and CSS, but as far as like really like can I create a contact form, probably not, right? So WordPress is fantastic because there's this huge repository of plugins, and a lot of them are free, and you could kind of use those plugins to add functionality to your site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the plugins area, and this time I'm going to add a new, and I'm going to look up a plugin that I like called Contact Form 7. And here it is, Contact Form 7. I mean, there's a lot of different contact forms, but this one is really good. So, I mean, I like it a lot. So let me install this one. You see it has over 1 million active installs. It's highly rated. So, I mean, that's good. And that's one other thing with plugins. You want to make sure that not only are they highly rated and used, but also that they're still updated, because if you got something that's updated like this one here is like 5 months ago. This was updated yesterday. So I think this is pretty good. This also has a little check compatible with your version of WordPress. So it gives you a little bit of information. This one is 2 days ago. So this is probably like really good. But I know that this one is really good and simple to use. So a contact form, simple but flexible. And that's what I want. I don't want to make things too complicated. So I'm going to click install. And now it's installed. Activate. And that's it. So now here I have Contact Form 7. So let's click on the settings. And here we actually have a contact form that they created for us. So, it's like I want to make something super easy to do. And let's see what happens here. So I'm going to click on the contact form. This is basically telling us what's in there. So they're going to ask for the name, email address, subject. You got to type a message in and then hit send. So that's all I need from this to actually, like be on my contact form. You could add all these other fields. You could add drop-down menus. You could add text areas. You could add radial buttons. But you know what? Let's just keep it simple. Hey, if somebody wants to ask a question, put a subject, put the text message, and that's good. So before we put this on the website, I just want to show you one other thing. So in this mail tab, I want whenever somebody submits a contact form, like a submission, I want them to email me back. And so this is the email I'm gonna get an email saying so and so submitted a contact form, and like this is what it is. So I just put that email in that we just set up, that admin@operationgethealthy.com. You can put any email you want here. I mean, you could have it go to your Gmail account, whatever it is. It doesn't matter, but I just want to keep it all the same website or the same company, just so I know where things are coming from. This is going to be from, it's like WordPress at operationgethealthy.com, subject, and then down here it's going to have like the message. So this is the from, like your name, your email, your subject, and the text that they type in. So basically in the body, it's going to have that contact form. What did they send? And that's pretty cool. So let me go back to forms. And so this is what I want to go into my website. So the way to get this in there is you see this, copy this short code and paste it into your post, page, or text widget. So let me just copy this and copy. And now I'm going to go into this is a page I'm copying it into. Oh, you want to see, I didn't save this yet. So let me stay and I'm going to hit save. So now I'm going to go back into that page. So page, and I'm going to go to the contact us, edit this, and I'm literally just going to paste in that shortcode. So right click, paste, and this is enough. Like the Contact Form 7 plugin knows what to do at this point. So I'm going to update this, and I'm literally going to go to my website, refresh, and I'm going to go to the contact form. And then you'll see I have name, email, subject, and message. So, you know, if you knew how to style things with CSS, you could probably make this a little fancier, but I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible, and it looks fine. I mean, to me, it doesn't look bad at all. So here you have Contact Us. That's the name of the page. And in this case, I want to keep the title here. So Contact, you know, looks good. So maybe we should call it Contact Us or whatever. You know, you can maybe change that. But or what you can do is, if you say want this to say Contact Us, but this is a contact, you could actually just hide, you know, like I could hide the title, and then here in the actual page, I could say, you know, Contact Us, you know, and then just have this come here. Now update this. Right, so I don't have to actually change the title of the page, but I actually put this here, and then, you know, here you could actually have this in bold. You can make this a little bigger, you know, make this a heading, whatever, you know, whatever you want to do. And so now this should go away because I just hit it, and then if I reload this page, you know, Contact Us. So I mean, whatever looks better to you. So there you go. Or, you know, you can put anything you want. Hey, let us know what you think, or something like that. You know, whatever works for your website. And say you want a little space between here and here. So yeah, maybe I'll just say, you know, let us know what you think. And then I'm just going to add an extra space there and just say update. You know, so like I said, it's very flexible. It's super easy, and there you go. So, I mean, you may not like this. You may just like it in the title names. Whatever. It's, you know, it's 100% personal preference. It's your website, it's your business. I'm just showing you how to get all the items in here that look pretty good. So the next thing I want to show you is I've cheated a little bit and put some blog posts in. So I'll just show you how that looks in the next video.